Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will talk about how to add music in Streamlabs OBS. So first you have to open Streamlabs OBS and then you have to select the scene in which you want to add music. So I am going to add music on this scene YouTube. Click here on the plus icon and select the option media source. Click on add source. Again click on add source. Here you can check this option if you want to repeat this music again and again, so you can check this option as well. You can also check this option if you want to enable hardware decoding. Okay, now click on done, and here we go, we have successfully add media source here. If you want to add Windows source, Windows capture, just click here, click on add source. Here again click on add source. Here you can add multiple stream if you want and click on done. So hope you like this little tutorial on how to add music in Streamlabs OBS. If you have any question related to this, you can ask me in the comment section. Bye bye.